Hi, welcome back to new episode 2 on my channel. And if you're new to the channel, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and give it a like after the video if you enjoyed it for the YouTube algorithm. And well, I actually mentioned in the first episode that I'm going to come back to you only once a week. However, the first episode is only like 2 or 3 days ago. But since the first video, there was a little bit of a development because not quite sure if you know, I do have a second channel which is actually in German, which I run here in Switzerland for the German-speaking folks. And I made a video about Trading212 because I was actually very intrigued and very happy about the first 2 stocks, which you saw as well, which I mentioned to you guys. And I made a video about it in German as well, and it kind of took off a little bit, not in regards to views on the video. It has only like 480, maybe 500 by now. However, I posted my referral link for the free share, which is below as well for you guys to use in case you would like to open a trading account with the Trading212. And quite a few people signed up, so we're going to check the statistics. I'm going to tell you how many. And well, my portfolio was on the 5th of November 2020 at 175 Swiss francs. Again, I'm going to put it all in pounds, euro and dollars as well for everyone to understand, basically in currency. And I increased it since then quite a little bit. Yeah? Meaning, I actually transferred 450 francs over to the account and deducted or withdrew another 50 again just for test purposes, because I wanted to know how it works, because obviously for me this is a test as well. And if I want to recommend something to someone, I want to tell them exactly how it works. But I'm still waiting for that because it takes like 3 business days, and it was Friday or Thursday I did it. So basically it's only going to come on Monday or Tuesday, I reckon. But nevertheless, my portfolio size increased from 175 to 537. Not only because of the 400 francs that I transferred, because I didn't invest everything, I still have money left, which you will see in a moment. But there were 14 people who used my code so far, and I would like to thank everyone for that. Obviously, it's not going to be from this video because I guess most of, if not all, were from the German video. But I wanted to share it with you because obviously I have a small YouTube channel there. I just reached 1,000 subscribers last week, or actually this week. No, this week I think. And I'm monetized on that channel. However, obviously here not. But with the 1,000 people who are subscribed to my channel, not sure how many watched who are not subscribed, I reached basically 14 people who said, hey, this is a cool thing, I'm going to sign up as well. And this 14 people, I'm going to share the links with you, or I'm going to share the shares that I received. I'm going to share the shares, it's funny. I'm going to share with you the shares that I received in this video. So, I got total 14, 2 of them you know already is AMD and Unilever, and then I got 12 more free shares since the last video you saw, which are worth, as you've seen in the title already, £95.26, yeah, which is quite a lot, but they are not as great as the first 2 were. So was it just luck that I received the first 2 shares so great, or what was it? Because I asked as well the people who actually signed up to write please in the comments what they received. And the thing is, the first 4 free shares after that were General Electric. And General Electric is actually a stock that is pretty much going downwards since 10-15 years, and they're worth now around 8 francs, which is like 6 pounds something. And I have no interest in General Electric, to be honest, which is why I sold them already. Then I got 1 Royal Dutch Shell, which is okay. I have in my other portfolio obviously quite a lot of Shell. I think Shell is my second biggest position. I have 172 Shell shares, I think, and I have no interest in getting more on the Trading212 account, which is why I put a sell order already. I'm just gonna wait for Monday to happen. Then I got 1 EasyJet, which, okay, kind of airline would be cool. However, airline business is nothing that I would recommend at the moment because of the pandemic, and we have no idea when the airline industry will pick up again. So there's another one I put on sell as well. Again, I'm waiting for Monday to come. Then I got Tilray, which is something to do with cannabis. I do have a cannabis stock already in my De Giro portfolio, which is called Transcana. I lost pretty much 55% so far in value on that, and I have no interest in having any more cannabis as well, so I already sold that one. Then I got as well yesterday evening and today in the morning 2 more, which is one Bank of America, which is from the worth value, not bad, it's like 22 francs, so it's like 17 pounds I guess, or 18 pounds. And today in the morning I got another one which is Vodafone, but those two I only gonna receive on Monday, basically next business day. So overall I basically got now 14 shares and they are worth, I'm gonna tell you, I have my notes here, 237 francs 46, or in pounds exactly 200 pounds 57 for 14 shares so far, which is great, really. I'm super happy. This is biggest return ever so far. Nothing better than getting a free share. If you like to have a free share as well and don't have an account, again I mentioned, I posted here, this is the link in case you want to copy it to your thing, and you have as well the link below if you want to click on it. Right, so let's go into my portfolio and see how it looks like now. I'm gonna hit record because last time I didn't do that properly. Now I'm gonna see record. Here we go. So we're gonna go into the Trading212 app, and the focus is still there. And here we go. So first of all, we're gonna see we have now total amount or account value 726 francs 75. Again, I'm gonna mention everything in pounds and all other currencies here. So I have 537.21 invested and 189.54 which is pending, or basically which is free funds. And if we go into our portfolio, you see I'm 3.68% up, or 19.05 francs. And the shares I have now, I increased one more ETF. I got S&P 500 ETF as well as I got 2 more shares which I put in my pile, which is Etsy and Fiverr. I have already a share as well, which I bought half a share. And overall, now we're gonna see. Let's put this on top here. So we have Activision Blizzard 0.2 shares, Adobe 0.01. Obviously the shares are pretty expensive if you look at it, $494.47, so it will take some time to get actually one share full. Then AMD, the one that I got for free, it was my first share here on Trading212. Bank of America is the one that is still pending, which I will sell as well. I have no interest in Bank of America. I actually lived in US, funnily, and I was actually a Bank of America customer there. I was happy with that. However, I have no interest in a bank share at the moment. The only bank share that I currently own in my stock portfolio is Sberbank from Russia. I'm not sure if you actually can find it here. Let's double check. Sberbank, no, you can't have it. However, I read already on a Trading212 forum that there will be another 2,800 shares and ETFs added to the portfolio, or to the available portfolio, Trading212 portfolio. On Monday was supposed to be, now it's going to be Wednesday, and that's going to be Wednesday the 11th. Funny, 11th, 2020. Well, yeah. Alright, so then we have EasyJet, free share as well, gonna sell it. Fiverr International, I bought half a share. Here we go, congratulations, you will see another general, see while we're recording, another share is popping in. That is great, this is live actually, yeah. However, it seems like a lot of people get General Electric, not only me, as well as 2 or 3 people got General Electric from the people that sign up, which is kind of, I'm sorry for the guys that they only get this kind of share, but either way, free is free. I wish they would have gotten something nicer as well, like 40, 50 euro or pounds or whatever worth, but it is what it is. Then I have Mastercard 0.01 share, Munich Re 0.03, Nestle 0.07, Netflix 0.01. Again, Netflix is super expensive, $514, you see it. Then we have NextEra, which is solar, water power, wind power, which I want to build up again. This is, you see this, actually I have only 2 shares which are in the red so far. It was this Munich Re, which is the insurance of the insurance from Germany. NextEra is US stock, nearly 1% down. Then we have new shares. Here is NIO. NIO, obviously, I guess it's very popular in the UK as well, which I've seen number 4 trending at the moment, or from the people that own shares on Trading212, it's on number 4. Then NIO is another interesting share that obviously I cannot recommend it because it's not a financial advisory channel here. I'm not a financial professional. This is all my personal opinion and perception. Again, it's written on top here as well. that it's just entertainment purposes, these videos. However, new, if you look at it, it's electric scooters. I'm not sure if they're sold in UK. I guess they are. They are sold all over Europe so far, in Switzerland, Germany, and Spain, everywhere. It's a Chinese company as well, same as NIO, but NIO is actually selling cars. NIO is doing electric scooters, and they are super successful. App-based, just check the website, very, very good. Novo Nordisk from Denmark, Nvidia, I have 0.009, so 0.01. PayPal, Shell, again I mentioned I'm gonna sell that one. Spotify, I have 0.02, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, 0.06, Tesla, 0.01, Unilever, there was a free share, I'm gonna keep that one. And then I have the Vanguard FTSE All World, 0.7, you see I have 64 francs already worth because I invested more in it. And the Vanguard S&P 500 new ETF I mentioned to you is 0.58 shares already. Vodafone, free stock, which I'm gonna share as well. I have already telecommunications. I have two. I have AT&T in my other portfolio, as well as Telefonica Germany, and I don't want more of them. And last but not least is Volkswagen 0.05. So you see the pie here is 537.21 francs, 23 investments. And you see here how they are distributed across. Here we go. And then if we go into the pies, here you see now I have 2 ETFs and 18 stocks. 296.47, I have 8.24 pending, which is for an order that they set, however the market's closed already. And my goal was 2.5k, now I'm already 11.53% towards that goal. And we look at the holdings as well. I really like this graphs, which is what nice thing about Trading212 is really this visualization of how you're doing, not only numbers, but actually you see how it looks like in this pie chart here. And if you go down, actually you see still on top, you see the bar, which is great too, so it doesn't disappear fully. And you see, I set now basically a goal of the Vanguard FTSE All World 30% supposed to be, S&P 500 15%, so I want 45% to be ETF. Maybe later I'm gonna make it even more, maybe around 50%, I have to see. I might decrease NIO, and Tesla, because you see they are 9%, 9%, 5%, and then all the other ones are at 3%. You see Etsy and Fiverr International, I don't have them yet. I have Fiverr the half share, which I bought, but not in the pie. And Etsy, if you look into this, no, yeah, I cannot go inside. Where is Etsy? Here we go. Company details, which I like as well, and add everything you have here as well. Operates a marketplace where people around the world connect both online and offline to make, sell, and buy goods. So you can, for example, make a picture if you're a photographer, which is something I like to do as well. I'm a hobby photographer. For example, if I live in Switzerland, I would do a really nice landscape. If I find a nice day and clouds and mountains and everything, I live up in the mountains here. And if I would put it then online on Etsy, I could just sell my picture. They could buy the picture, go to a place where you can print pictures on canvas, and then basically print my pictures, and they would just pay for the right to print that picture. And that's what Etsy is about, basically, from my point of view. But look at the website as well. Now, going back here, holdings, and then again, all the other ones are at 2%. You see, 5 and Etsy are at 3%. I guess I'm gonna put them down once they reach a certain level. They catch up with the other ones, then I'm gonna put them down to 2% as well, and then increase the ETFs. So overall, great first week, I have to say. Again, I have now invested 537 francs 21 from 175 just a few days ago. And obviously I got 200 pounds of free share, now another General Electric, which is another 5 pounds or so. So 205 pounds of free shares with 15 referrals so far. And if you would like to do that as well, please give it a shot. The link is below, and you can do the same thing. So if you have friends who are maybe new to the stock market, if you would like to recommend them something, one recommendation I can give you, however, it's not a financial advice, is start with ETFs, because they are very passive. You don't have to think about too much. You don't have to do research about the company. They very much diversified, and the risk is spread across hundreds of thousands of shares. So the chances of you losing money with that are pretty low, or lower compared to if you buy an individual stock which you maybe have no idea about. Thank you very much for tuning in, and please leave a like if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and again, the links are all in the description. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll see how it develops from there. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Peace.